Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from RedotPay to your bank account in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to simply launch your RedotPay application and then log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, if you are someone that is watching this video who haven't created your account on RedotPay yet, you can just simply use the link that is given in the description in order to sign up, and this way you are going to get $5 welcome bonus absolutely for free. So when you are here on the home page of Red.Pay, you just have to simply tap on the option of more. Over here, tap on the option of withdraw. Then you will be shown two options like withdrawing on chain and withdrawing to the local currency. So if you select the first option, you can just simply withdraw your cryptos to any of your external wallets or exchanges like MetaMask or Bitget or Binance and Bybit. But since you want to withdraw it to your bank account, you need to simply select the option of withdraw local currency. Now, as soon as you do this, you will be landed on this particular page where you just have to enter the amount that you want to withdraw. So after entering the amount, you just have to tap on the option of select or add an account. So as soon as you do this, the second option would be of using the local bank account. So you just have to simply tap on this particular option, and now you just have to start providing your banking details. Over here, simply scroll down on the top and select your country from the list. Afterwards, you just have to simply start providing your banking details and then save those details. Now, once you do this, your bank account will be shown over here. Then you can press continue and then you can withdraw your money from Red.Pay to your bank account easily. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.